Help me. I have used in 5 times in a sentence and I don't even know what does that mean.
Mini, so preposition panic. Don't worry, I am there, right? Listen, in is a very small word, but let me tell you, very, very powerful preposition. Let me break it down for you. First, in is used for location or place, okay? Like, in shows location when something is inside something.
Oh, like the phone is in my bag?
Perfect, Mini. Like, I live in Kolkata. Kolkata is huge. I live in Kolkata. The keys are in the drawer. So, drawer and the keys are inside it. Or maybe there's some milk in the fridge. So, fridge in. The milk is in the fridge. So, in is equals to inside a space. Like, in a bag, in a country, in a city, or in the room. So it basically talks about something which is inside a space. The second usage for in is time.
Oh, yes. Even I have seen sentences like in July or maybe in the morning.
Exactly, Mini. So we use in when we talk about longer period of time, like for months, okay, like for any specific period of time which is longer, like years, like centuries, like parts of day. Like I was born in August, I graduated in 2015. The church was built in the 19th century, or let's meet in the evening. So here in talks about or in denotes the longer period of time. So yes, use in when you talk about months, years, century, or parts of the day. The third situation when we use in is for certain conditions or situations.
Oh, yes. Even I have seen phrases like in love or maybe in trouble, but that doesn't talk about any location or time.
Exactly. In is used to show a condition or a state, like how someone is feeling or maybe what is happening. Like the baby is in pain. Okay. She is in love. Okay. She is in trouble. I am in hurry. So basically, in is used to show, certain emotion or mental state, like in danger, in peace, or maybe in fear. In the fourth usage, if I tell you about in, it also talks about appearance or clothing.
Now, this one is weird, ma'am. He looked handsome in a black suit. How is he inside the black suit?
Mini, it just means that he is wearing it. Let's understand this with example. She looks smart in black sari. The children are in the school uniform. Or maybe he came in a hoodie. So see, here we are using in for certain clothing or certain appearances. We also use in for participation or involvement.
Oh, so what about in a meeting or maybe in a game?
Yes, that's involvement or participation. Let's use some sentences. She is in a Zoom call, or he played in the final match, or I am in a reading club, or I can also say they acted in a play. See, so it's talking about their participation or involvement.
Oh, so in can be used in so many ways like place, time, emotion, clothes, or even when we join something.
Yes, it's like that tiny chameleon which changes its meaning with context.
Okay, challenge time. Let me give you one sentence using in different ways. So here it goes. Ma'am, please pay attention. Okay, here it goes. In the morning, I was in my room, in my pajamas, in a bad mood, waiting to be in the school play.
Bravo, Mini, you have mastered in. So yes, prepositions are tiny but mighty. And if this video helped you to understand in a better way, don't forget to like and subscribe, and definitely share this video with your learner friends. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep thriving with Sushmita, and yes, wait for our next fun grammar video with me and Minnie. Thank you so much.